You're excited. You've got a really important phone call set up with somebody. You're supposed to talk to them at exactly 10 a.m. You call them, they don't answer. Most of us leave some sort of weak and pathetic voicemail and the person never calls us back. I'm gonna fix that problem for you right now. I'm gonna show you how to maintain your dignity, maintain your power, and leave a voicemail that gets them to call you back. The trick is, we've got to have authority. We've got to take the pressure off them so they don't feel guilty about missing our call, but they still call us back. Here's the voicemail I want you to leave. Let's say I'm calling Adriana. She's the CEO of a company. We're scheduled to talk at 10. I call her, beep, boop, 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 boop. I get her voicemail. She doesn't answer. This is the voicemail I want you to leave. Hey, Adriana, Matt Easton getting back to you. We were scheduled for a call a few minutes ago. I'm back to back today, running a little bit behind schedule. I'll be available here for just a minute, so you'll have to call me back. I'm at 720-660-3202. Like I said, I'm gonna be here for just a little bit, so I'm here right now, speak to you soon. What I want you to do in that message is I want you to say, hey, I'm running back to back. I don't want you to apologize, just I'm running back to back. I'm a little bit behind schedule. That takes all of the pressure off of them. But now I want you to give them your number and say, hey, you'll have to call me, but I'll be here for just a little bit. So I'll talk to you soon. When you can pivot and start leaving that message, they'll call you right back, I promise. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.